Guangzhou Chenyou Garment Co Limited is a garment factory with years of production experience covering an area of 600 square meters. It is a collection of production, research and development, R&D wholesales, sales and one of the clothing company, including 58 staffs. Our company mainly specialized in men and women's denim jacket, bomber jacket, demi jeans, pants, dress, skirts, shirts, shorts, t-shirts, hoodie. We are in novel and fashion design, the satisfactory quality and competitive price and enjoy a reputation. We have research and development department, merchandiser department, sample working department, strict quality control and washing department, and trimming and packing shipping department. We can offer all kinds of washings, including garment, bleach, stone, acid, snow, hand brush, damage broken, and silicone enzyme washings. Guangzhou Chenyou Garment Co Limited always adheres to the business philosophy of honesty, quality, truth-seeking, and pragmatism, and firmly believes that unity is strength. Producing qualified products and providing satisfactory after-sales service will be our eternal promise. We have established long-term cooperative relationships with other countries and regions around the world, and we will wholeheartedly cooperate with domestic and foreign customers and new and old customers to create a win-win situation. We have OEM, ODM, and drop shipping service, and we have our own brand Denim. For our own brand, we accept low MOQ. Wish to cooperate with you.